The following video will show you how to turn on the shower in the bathroom in the Orchid suite. The left hand side dial is the temperature and the right hand side dial is the power. Once you've set to your desired temperature, so that's on hot at the moment, you can turn the dial. That'll give you more power the more you turn it. So we've got the water coming out now, hot, and you can adjust that by turning it to cold. To turn to cold, push the button in there and keep turning, and that will now be cold. To turn back, turn the dial. You may find that clicks halfway through, and then you can continue to turn that without pressing the button. So that's now back on hot. You can reduce the power by turning the dial, and that's low power. If you turn it back, the power would increase. So now you've got more power coming out the shower head. Turn the shower off, turn the dial back to the starting position.